Hello, wonderful children. How are you doing today? You're welcome to mathematics class. Today we want to look at reading, writing, comparing, and ordering five-digit numbers. Reading, writing, comparing, and ordering five-digit numbers. So let's start by saying what five-digit numbers are. Okay, you say a number is five digits if it has five digits. Yes. So I'm going to count the number of digits that this number has. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is a five-digit number. Do you understand that? This is a five-digit number. Okay, now let's look at this. This is another five-digit number, 37159. Now, for you to be able to read and write five-digit number, it's important to know the place value. Do you still remember place value? It simply means telling whether a number is a unit, a tens, hundred, and so on. So let's look at the value, the place value of this number. This is 9. 9 is in the unit place. So this is it. It's in the unit place. And then you have 5. So to make it easy for us, any other number, if you don't have any number to your left, we're just going to write 0. And to your right, you just write 0. If you don't have any number after the number you're talking about, so to your right, you just write 0. The next number is 5. And your 5 is your tens. You can see this is your tens. So I'll just add a 0 to the back of it. So that means if I want to write this, I'll write it as 50. But it is actually 5 tens because this 5 place value is tens. Then I come to the next number. This is 1. This is 100. 100. So I'm just going to add 2 zeros at the back. And that will give me 100. So if I'm going to write this, I'll write it as 100, 100, but the place value is in the 100 place. So this is 100. Then I'll come to this place. This is 7. This is my 1,000, my 1,000. So by the time I put my 7 here, I'm going to add 3 zeros, and that would give me 7,000. So if I'm going to write this number, I'm going to write it as 7,000. But my 7 is in the 1,000 place. Then I have 3. 3 is in the 10,000 place. So the place value of 3 here is 10,000. 10,000. But if I'm going to write it out, I'm going to write it as 30,000. 30,000. So that means 3 10,000. 30,000. Do you get that? So this is how to read and write your five-digit numbers. Okay, the next thing we want to look at is compare. Compare. What do we mean by compare? You have two numbers and you want to tell which is bigger or which is smaller. So basically we use a less than or greater than symbol to show comparison. These are the symbols: less than or greater than. You use it to show comparison. If I would have to use my equal to, it simply means that those two numbers are equal. But if not, I would use either my less than or my greater than symbol to tell which is bigger. Do we get that? All right. So writing this number in figure, you can see this is 37159. So if I'm going to write this, it's already in figure. So if I want to write it in words, because this is units, this is 10, this is 100, this is 1,000, and this is 10,000. So I'm going to call this 37,159. 37,159. So this is how I'm going to write this in words. Okay, let's come back to comparing of 5-digit numbers. So this is my less than and this is my greater than. So don't forget, whichever way you think it will be easy for you to tell, whether you want to say my less than is facing my right and my greater than is facing my left. Or probably some people use their elbow. If you want to use my elbow, when I bend my elbow to the right, that's less than. And when I bend my elbow to the left, that is greater than. So whichever way it's easy for you to tell, just make sure you know that this symbol is for less than and this symbol is for greater than. Is that okay? Right. Now let's get this example. Compare the following numbers using the little less than and greater than sign. So this is the less than and this is the greater than sign. So you have to compare these numbers using the signs. I have 78426, 82165, 97314, 96214, 6714, and 6768. Okay, let's look at how we're going to compare. This is the first numbers we want to compare: 78426 and 82165. Now, first of all, because they are both 5-digit number, so we need to follow some rules. If one was 6 digits and one was 5 digits, it would have been very easy for you to say, oh, the 6-digit number is bigger. But this time around, both of them have 5-digit number. So for us to compare, we start with the first digit number. If you look at this is 78426. The first digit number is 7. And this, the first digit number is 8. Which is bigger, 7 or 8? 8 is bigger than 7. So that simply means that this number, it means that 82165 is bigger than this, because we started by comparing their first digit number. So since this is the smaller number, if I'm going to write it, I'll say 78426 is less than 82165. Or better still, I can interchange the number and say 82165 is greater than 78426. So don't make that mistake. If I'm using less than, then the smaller number will be in the front and then the bigger number will be after the less than symbol. But if I want to use greater than, then the bigger number will be in front of the symbol and the smaller number will be at the back of the symbol. Do you get that? So if I'm going to write this, I will say 78426 is less than 82165, or 82165 is greater than 78426. Is that taken? Very good. Okay, let's look at the example 2. This is 97314 and 96214. So we want to use the same method we used for the first example. This is 9, this is 9. That means the first digits for the both numbers are the same. So what do? You move to the second digit. The second digit, compare the second digit. This is 7 and this is 6. And you know that 7 is bigger than 6. So that means this number is bigger than this number. So that means 97314 is greater than 96214. Or I can bring this first. 96214 is less than 97314. Simple, isn't it? If I'm using my greater than symbol, the bigger number should be in the front. But if I'm using my less than symbol, the smaller number should be in the front. Do we get that? So this means 97314 is greater than 96214. And then 96214 is less than 97314. Okay? Do you understand that? Good. Okay, let's look at this example 3. We want to compare 67214 and 67468. The first digit number 6 and 6, so we can use that for comparison. The second digit 7 and 7, we cannot use that as comparison. Then you move to the third digit. This is 2 and this is 4. So I'm comparing 2 and 4. 2 is less than 4. So that means this number is less than this number. So I'm going to write it as 67214 is less than 67468. Or I can say 67468 is greater than 67214. So from these examples, you can see that when you want to compare two 5-digit numbers, what you do is start by comparing the first digit there, which is the 10,000 in the 10,000 place. You compare. If the first digit is the same, you move to the second and compare. If the second is the same, you move to the third and compare. If it's still the same, you continue to move to the next number. That is how you're going to compare two 5-digit numbers. Okay, we've looked at how we can compare. Now let's look at ordering. Ordering, what do we mean by ordering? It means arranging in a particular order. Arranging in a particular order. So you can actually arrange in ascending order. If I'm arranging in ascending order, that means I'm arranging from the smallest to the biggest. And I can also arrange in descending order, which means arranging from the biggest to the smallest. So bear it at the back of your mind that ordering means arranging of numbers in a particular way. So if your question says in ascending order, you are arranging from the smallest to the biggest. But if your question says in descending order, you are arranging from the biggest to the smallest. So you will see that you cannot order numbers if you don't know how to compare them. I must first of all know which number is bigger than the other before I can start ordering them. Okay, let's look at this example. Arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order. So first of all, let's start by comparing this number. Look at these numbers. Which do you think is the biggest? Which is the biggest? Okay, can you see it? Is it this? Correct, this is the biggest. And why is it the biggest? If you look at the first digit number, this has the biggest first digit number. Look at this. 9 is the biggest number out of all of this. So 93454 is the biggest. Now, which is the next? Let's look. Let's look at it together. Which do you think is the next? Is it this? Oh no. Is it this? No. Is it this? Good. This is the next number. That is because after 9, the next number, the bigger number after 9 is 4. So this is the second biggest number. Then we go, which is the next? Okay, then this. This is also big after 43212. This should be the next number that is big. Okay, then which is the next? Then this 34562 is also big after 37865. And then the next one is this. This is 29365. This is the next. And then this would be the smallest 12343. And if you want to go the other way around, let's start from the smallest. This would be the smallest 12343. and then 29865 will be the next, then 34562 will be the next, 37865 will be the next, 43212 will be the next, and then 93454 is the biggest. If you feel you need time to do your ordering, you can pause this video, quickly write out the numbers and compare. Then you come back and check if your comparison is the same as mine. Okay, so in ascending order, remember that ascending order means from the smallest to the biggest. So in ascending number, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 first, and then I'll have 29865 next, and then I have 34562, I have 37865, I have 43212, and finally 93454. For descending order, it means from the bigger number to the smallest number, from the biggest to the smallest. So it's just going to be the opposite of what we've done here. We start from the biggest number, 93454, 43212, 37865, 34562, 29865, and 12343. So we have arranged in ascending order and descending order. Okay, I want you to try this. I want you to try this. Let me see if you understand what we've been doing since. So you're going to compare. What I want you to do is to tell me whether which is greater than which or less than. Put the appropriate sign, either less than or greater than sign. All you need to do is remove this hand and put the appropriate symbol. And then for number 2, arrange these numbers in ascending order and descending order. I believe you can do this. You're smart children. You would be able to do this. Okay, if you've done it very well, I mean very well, this is what your answer should be. So try it out and compare with my answer. Let's see if you got it right. Beautiful. Okay, now we've come to the end of the class. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.